Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to create a Slack bot that sends information from your Google Spreadsheet as messages. So guys, watch till the end as I show you two ways. So for the first one is by Google Apps Script. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper and you can understand more. So first, just simply open the spreadsheet. And from there, just simply go ahead and click on extensions. And on the extensions, just simply go for the apps script. And from there, just simply go ahead and paste the script that you have by replacing the webhook URL with the actual webhook URL from Slack. And from there, just simply go ahead and save and run the script. And after that, just simply set a time-based trigger so you can run the script daily. And another option that you have is by using Zapier. So guys, just simply go ahead and sign up for Zapier account and just simply connect it to your Slack workspace. And from there, just simply create a new Zap for Slack that triggers from a new pushed message. And from there, just simply go ahead and add an action to your Zap for the Google Sheets. And from there, just simply go ahead and select create spreadsheet row. And from there, just simply choose the target spreadsheet and just simply choose a specific sheet that you will prefer. And from there, of course, just simply customize the data and columns to match in the spreadsheet. And from there, just simply go ahead and save and publish the Zap. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.